Hey guys, Jack here, the guy with a face for radio and a voice for text. Having been involved in online businesses for many years, I have worked with my fair share of hosting companies that are on offer. I have learned many painful lessons about web hosting during that time. And my universal experience has generally ranged from disappointment to utter despair. The reasons for my frustration generally revolved around issues like seemingly cheap hosting with unlimited bandwidth that collapsed as soon as I pushed high levels of traffic to my sites or lagged so much from the imagery. $2 a month hosting is only possible with ancient low-spec servers massively overloaded with websites. When you read the actual terms of service of such companies, the promise of unlimited bandwidth and unlimited storage is usually a massive con. Lack of live 24/7 support. Lack of knowledgeable support. Slow server performance. Rewind back a few seconds to why. Lack of flexibility and features. Complex hosting admin areas designed for computer science postgraduates, not real people like us web entrepreneurs and small online business owners. So for these reasons, I've put together this channel to help you out and give you our top recommended web hosting vendors. I'm excited to be giving you a quick overview of our top choices of web hostings which will suit your wedding photography website or blog based on our own personal experience with them. Below this video in the description, you'll find the links to we recommend hostings. By clicking on the desired hosting link, not only will you get a discounted rate, but because we update our site regularly, you will get the latest pricing and bonus on offer. Just click on the link below to get your discount now. While we use a lot of factors when writing our hosting reviews, these factors include uptime, support options and response time, speed, server locations, ease of use, cost vs value, disk space. Support and speed are the two major ones we consider when reviewing a web hosting service. Let's take website speed for example. Did you know that a 1-second delay means page views decrease by 11%? That means over 1/10 of your customers or clients will bounce for every second your site is still loading, most will never return. Support is another main factor. Having knowledgeable support staff is also a must when selecting a vendor. So in saying that, we have done the analysis, website hosting reviews and comparisons. So you don't have to, resulting in a list of the top website hosting companies to use for your website hosting needs. So to come with this list, the web hostings that are named in this video are the top choices after many years and hours of testing, reviewing and researching, so we can cut out all the crap hostings to just bring you nothing but the best. So without any further ado, let us get into the meat and potatoes of this video. Our number one choice is WPX Hosting. WPX Hosting has become one of the fastest growing web hosting companies that have hit the market in recent years, and you are just about to find out why. Terry Kyle, co-founder, after many years struggling to house his own sites with consistent speeds, services and uptimes, he decided enough was enough and decided to build his own. As a pioneer in the industry, Terry Kyle and Georgi Petrov developed WPX Hosting back in 2013 with three things in mind. Must be easy to use for non-tech savvies. To provide you with superior page load speed. Have real 24/7 365 days of the year live chat or ticket support. WPX Hosting is the fastest WordPress host and with world-class support around the clock. They are voted as number one on both Trustpilot and G2 Crowd and is the only hosting that is recommended by Shane from Thrive Themes. If you run heavy imagery, lots of plugins or videos on your website, WPX Cloud will 3x your site speed. WPX Hosting has two servers, one located in the UK and the other is in the USA, and with over 20 plus endpoints around the world and growing. If you want the Ferrari in web hosting, producing faster load page speeds and stopping your customers bouncing, then WPX Hosting is what you need. It is most popular and, based on our reviews, the ultimate option on our list. Created for a variety of users, WPX Hosting plans come in three different sizes. Business Plan, Professional Plan, Elite Plan. Offering the best options for novice users who are just starting out to the experienced webmaster or professional entrepreneur seeking maximum load speeds and search engine ranking positions. WPX Hosting is also the most flexible for all kinds of blogs and websites. Money sites, search engine optimization, small to large businesses, and a combination of will benefit. The faster page load times will give you better rankings by Google, giving your website more traffic, while reducing your bounce rate from slow page load speeds. Building and owning their very own servers and WP Cloud Custom Delivery Network is the main key difference to most other web hosting platforms. This enables them to tweak and test the cloud CDN to provide you maximum WordPress performance, and that's something that conventional CDN companies, who are not hosting companies, can't, or simply won't. If the results their product offers is anything to judge by, WPX Hosting will be staying among the best for a long time. And at this price, which is the lowest it's ever been, you'll save a ton of money. Just make sure to click the link below in the description for the best savings. Pros: fast load times and free WPX CDN cloud. Super efficient support and customer service. 30-day money-back guarantee. Cons: slightly dearer when starting off, but the rewards, in the long run, will pay off. Number 2, Siteground. This is our all-time favorite hosting company in the shared hosting sector, and they're affordable, have very powerful servers, and most importantly, the support is top-notch with an average 10-minute response time on support tickets. They also come recommended for WordPress by Wordpress. Very few hosting companies can claim this. They can, of course, tackle any CMS you throw at them. As for performance, they've even built their own caching plugin to maximize speed and minimize loading times. Oh, plus they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Truly a no-brainer in our books. They have 3 hosting plans. Their most affordable plan starts at only USD $3.95 per month. That is 67% off the usual price. Pros: user-friendly. Impressive security features. Multiple data centers around the world. Recommended by Wordpress. Great performance. Free CDN, free SSL, and much more. Cons: support can be a little slow at times. Number 3, Bluehost. Bluehost is one of the bigger names in the web hosting arena, and it's no surprise that it made its way onto the list. It features a free domain name for the first year when you purchase a hosting plan from them. A free SSL certificate is included in the package with a one-click WordPress install, making it easier for newbies. You will get 24/7 support from their well-trained in-house experts and have a range of guides, videos, and how-tos. Bluehost Web Hosting offers a 30-day refund. Simply try them out, and if you are not happy within the 30-day period, to tell them and get your money back, no questions asked. Their top priority is to have you as a satisfied customer, nothing less. Like most host providers, you have a choice of 3 different plans. The big difference in the plans to others is that all the plans are able to have unlimited domains and subdomains. For all the plans and pricing, click on the link below. Pros: unlimited websites. 24/7 support. Free domain and SSL. Cons: rocky reputation but getting much better. Number 4, DreamHost. This is our 4th choice as another great web hosting and another alternative to our top choice, which is WPX Hosting. DreamHost has the cheapest starter plan out of all our choices at the time of making this video. This platform, the same as Siteground and Bluehost, comes recommended by WordPress as an approved hosting provided by them. That in itself is an achievement, being recommended by a company like WordPress. DreamHost has a choice of shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated, and cloud. Today we will only be noting the shared hosting plans. You have a choice of 2 plans named Shared Starter and Shared Unlimited. You can take the plans out over monthly, yearly, and 3 years. Of course, the longer you take, the cheaper the plans be. You can get plans starting at only $2.59 per month. With the starter plan, you get a free domain, is suited for only one website. You also WordPress pre-installed, fast SSD storage, and SSL to make your website more friendlier for Google. What is very impressive is their 97-day money-back guarantee. You can see why it's a no-brainer to give DreamHost a test ride. Pros: easy-to-use interface. Fast and reliable. Affordable. Cons: no phone support. Conclusion: WPX Hosting is our overall preferred hosting over due to the loading speeds, support, and ease of use. For pricing, you won't get a deal any better for a dedicated cloud hosting than WPX Hosting. Siteground, Bluehost, and DreamHost, all 3 have been endorsed by WordPress as a recommended hosting. Siteground does have better support and slightly faster load times over the other 2. Overall, any of these web hostings will provide you with everything you need. If you want the Ferrari, WPX is for you. Those on a budget, just starting out, or testing the waters, any of the shared hostings will perform well for you. Going for the cheapest bottom of the barrel prices quite often leads to bottom of the barrel support and performance. Well guys, thanks for watching and hope this video has helped in any way.